Utility programs. What are utility programs? There are few softwares that are used to help your system work smoothly, give you better performance, and for resolving issues such as network related issues, virus issues, and data backup issues. Let us study. Utility software perform a specific task usually related to managing a computer, its devices, or its programs. These programs assist in smooth functioning of the computer system and help it to perform better. Some utilities help you to avoid virus attack, take backup of data, recover data that has been accidentally erased, etc. Antivirus, backup, disk repair, file management, compression, and network programs are some examples of utility programs. Now these programs you can buy them on from some uh, registered computer stores, or you can download it from the website on the internet. Now, network utility. This is the first utility program that we are going to study. Network utility. Network utility checks the network connectivity and configuration of network devices. So what does this program does? It checks the network connectivity and configuration of network devices. It also examines the network speed and performance, monitors network traffic from the console, and tracks the bandwidth usage. Next we have File Manager. File Manager utility helps the user to perform various operations on files such as viewing, editing, copying, and deleting. It also helps in managing files and folders and organizing them in a computer's storage device. So what does this program does? It helps you to manage your files. You can also use them for copying file, viewing a file, editing a file, and for deleting a file. All these can be done with the help of File Manager. Disk management. Disk management utility enables a user to view and manage the disk drives installed in a computer. So this program allows you to manage your disk drives that are installed in your computer. It can be used to partition drives, format drives, assign drive letters, and much more. So you can use this program to partition your drive, format your drive, and to assign drive letters. Scanning. The act of examining the computer system drives or files for possible virus or malware attack is known as scanning. Scanning is done by using antivirus utility. This utility provides protection to your computer against virus attacks. So antivirus is a program that secures your computer from virus attacks. There are different types of uh, antiviruses available in the market also, and you can also download them on the internet, from the internet. Some of them are Quick Heal, McAfee, Avast, AVG, etc.